Hello and welcome to Graphic Contraptions. My next project will be a series of videos, each showing a section of my next original character. Here is a quick draft of what I was thinking. It is a cyborg ninja. It will be made mostly out of foam, with 3D printed parts for the plates. I will have shoulder armor, branded with my logo of course. I will also have a cybernetic arm with lights going through it. On my armor will be a weapon that deploys and retracts. And that will be the subject of this first video. The mechanism behind it is the same as the one used in my first video for the Wakanda shield. Step 1. Reworking and printing out the mechanism. Step 2 was opening up the servo and moving the wires from the board directly to the motor. Now that we have our servo rewired, we can attach it to our printed part. This servo arm will connect to the servo, and our printed gear will connect to the servo arm. When you apply power, the gears will move, and when you reverse the polarity, they'll move back. Next, we attach these secondary arms and glue down this connector to lock it into place. Once everything is connected, it's time to attach the foam. I added these pieces to give the foam a more stable platform. After I add all the decoration I want, I cover the whole thing in Mod Podge. Now to make a template for the bracer, I wrap some paper around my arm, trace it around, cut it out, and transfer it to foam. I took some elastic straps and hot glued them to the inside of the bracer. It's time to connect the weapon to the bracer, but we have to cut out a hole for the servo. So I just press down on it to leave a mark. And make sure you have a sharp knife. Now just feed the wires through and glue it down. The bracer itself was looking a little empty, so I decided to add some layers of foam. I also made this top section magnetic so I can get to the batteries. And that's it for part 1 of this series. Thanks for watching.